Y'all, so I'm doing another voiceover. So today I'm making Cajun pasta with shrimp and sausage. So I start off by washing my hands. So after washing my hands, cleaning out the sink, and I'm gonna take the tails off the shrimp and wash the shrimp. So after that, I am going to oil the shrimp with olive oil so it can keep the seasons on the shrimp, and let that marinate in the refrigerator for about like 30 minutes while I work on the other things. Y'all was wondering why they was not coming out. The seal was on there. But you can use whatever seasoning you want. I use Creole, Cajun season. I use garlic powder, garlic salt, and also I use paprika. But you can use any season to your liking. I just use what I wanted on my shrimp. Also, I went back in with the Cajun seasoning. So I'm just mixing all the flavors and the seasonings together so everything can taste right. Then I'm going to sit it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes and let that marinate while I work on the next thing. So here I'm just cutting up my smoked sausage. This part is optional. I just put a little Creole on the smoked sausage just to give it a little flavor. And I put some Cajun seasoning on there as well. And I went back in with the all Cajun seasoning. Now this part, I'm just getting my water ready to boil for the noodles. Make sure you use oil on the pan so nothing sticks and burn. Now I'm just adding the shrimp. I'm gonna let that cook. Now I'm buttering my pan so I can work on the sauce for the pasta. You can never go wrong with too much butter, but just use how much you want to use. So now that I got the butter in there, I'm going to add my garlic. Then you're going to add your heavy whipped cream. Now I'm going to season it to my liking. You can use whatever seasoning that you want to use on this part. Now that the shrimp done, I'm going to add the sausage to the pan and let that cook for a little bit. Now I'm going to add my noodles, let them boil. So now I'm washing off my bell pepper and I want to cut that up. So now I'm just letting the bell pepper cook for a little bit before adding it to the sauce. Make sure you add water to the sauce. Now you're going to add your mozzarella cheese to the sauce. Here I'm just draining out the pasta noodles. Now I'm just mixing all the food together. Y'all, this is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and use this recipe. Y'all can't tell me they don't look fire.